in 3, 2, 1. Brian Miskimins here in the KOIN Local 6 Weather Center. Thanks so much for checking out your weather here at KOINLocal6.com. Check this out. The thing of beauty. July 5th certainly started our summer this year. Actually, I guess it came July 4th, but you can see people just taking in the Waterfront Blues Festival. A lot of boats coming and going, people soaking it up down there on the lawn. A perfect summer-like day out there. And temperatures, wow, they were impressive. Daytime high for Portland, 87, also for Hillsborough as well as Aurora. 86, a bit cooler for Vancouver and Scappoose, and 85, one of the cooler spots in Troutdale. Across the state, very balmy. 97 in Medford. That's a sign of some warmer air pushing up. 88 for Salem, also 87 for Eugene, 98 there for the Dalles, as well as Pendleton, 96 there for Baker City, and 94 for Burns, 89 there for K Falls. A very, very warm afternoon indeed. Live 3D pinpoint Doppler just basically seeing a few clouds way out off the coast. Everybody else west of the Cascades is clear. And we've had some pretty good thunderstorms across the central and eastern part of the state, especially east of, say, Pendleton, down through John Day and east of Seneca. All the afternoon long on our Saturday afternoon, we've seen these storms fire one after another. There's one over Baker City moving northeast. There's also one that took down a tree out towards Pilot Rock. So very, very dangerous conditions out there and stormy conditions. I mean, we're talking wind gusts with some of these storms upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour under some of these heavier storms. And thunderstorm threat actually moves west as we go into Sunday afternoon. The other area of concern is this entire area, because of these, a lot of these thunderstorms aren't putting down a whole lot of rain. There's a red flag warning from Sunday all the way through Tuesday. So we're going to have to watch for some pop-up fires. Certainly a big concern for firefighters out there with these dry and hot conditions that have suddenly moved into the Pacific Northwest. So we go through our Sunday morning, just some patchy morning clouds here west of the Cascades, but then the clouds dissipate. But watch what happens as we go into the evening time. You can see those showers and thunder showers. I mentioned the threat moves west. Definitely the case. In fact, out along the Cascades, a good chance of some afternoon thunder boomers. Can't rule out a chance of one moving into the valley, but overall, we're talking about a dry, mostly sunny Sunday on the way. Temperatures will be warm as well. And then as we go through Monday, just some patchy morning clouds once again, and then off to the sunshine once again in the afternoon. And same thing for Tuesday. You kind of get the idea. This is the pattern we're in, and it's going to keep temperatures relatively on the warm side for the Pacific Northwest. And this hot weather, it'll be the hottest coming up on Sunday because that's all shifting out of the southwest. And as we go into our Sunday, that's when we're going to see the warmest temperatures across the entire two-state region. So definitely be prepared. It's going to feel like summer out there. Now, overnight across the state, temperatures in the 50s and 60s. 69 there for the Dalles. Very warm overnight. Tough sleeping conditions. Patchy morning clouds along the coast. 73 if you're looking to cool off. 74 at Tillamook. 74 also for Seaside. That's the place to be if you want Mother Nature's air conditioning. Patchy morning clouds here in the I-5 corridor, topping out at 91 McMinnville and Newburgh, as well as Corvallis. 90 for Albany and Salem. East of the Cascades tomorrow, more afternoon thunderstorms likely, just shifting a bit further to the west, as I mentioned, but 96 for Madras, 91 for Bend. Yeah, it's going to feel downright hot for you guys. The free air freezing level, 14,000 feet. Government camp topping out near 80 degrees in the afternoon. That's when you know it's hot here in the Pacific Northwest. Afternoon thunderstorms possible, especially the further east you go towards, say, Hood River and the Dalles, and 101 there for the Dalles. You guys topped out, of course, 98 today, so add a few degrees onto that. And then here in the metro area, mostly sunny skies. We'll see some of those high clouds increase as we go into the afternoon. But overall, it's going to be a very balmy summer-like afternoon. 92 for Hillsborough and Beaverton. And out the door in the morning, 60 degrees. Some patchy morning clouds possible, mainly near the Cascades. But otherwise, warming up very quickly at noon, 76. And then topping out near 90. Those thunderstorms off in the distance at 5 o'clock. If you look east tomorrow afternoon, you'll probably see some of those thunderheads building. And as we go through the next 7 days, 90 on Sunday, and then we slowly cool down. 85 for Monday. Some patchy morning clouds possible. A better chance of some morning clouds on Tuesday, 82. And then we warm it back up a little bit on Wednesday. And then it looks like there's going to be a trough passing by to our north on Thursday and Friday, with temperatures topping out in the upper 70s to right about 80 degrees. And kind of that morning cloud, afternoon sunshine routine. So perfect summer-like weather here in the Pacific Northwest. Thanks so much for checking out your weather here at KOINLocal6.com.